Plastic is everywhere. From the packaging that protects our food to the everyday items we rely on, its convenience has revolutionized our lives. However, this convenience comes at a significant cost to our planet. Each year, over 400 million tons of plastic are produced globally, yet less than 10% is recycled. The rest either ends up in landfills, is incinerated, or leaks into our environment, polluting land, rivers, and oceans. It's estimated that 11 million tons of plastic waste enter the oceans annually, harming ecosystems, marine life, and even human health. The problem is pervasive and growing, demanding urgent action. Let's delve deeper into the scale of this issue and explore ways we can address it. Plastic pollution is one of the most pressing environmental issues today, primarily due to the vast amount of plastic produced, used, and improperly disposed of. Here's a breakdown of the main aspects of plastic pollution. Single-use plastics. Items like plastic bags, straws, bottles, and packaging are often used only once and then discarded. These make up a large portion of plastic waste. Land ecosystems. Plastic pollution affects land animals similarly, especially in areas where waste is improperly managed. Additionally, plastic can release toxic chemicals into the soil, affecting plant life and soil health. Human health. Microplastics are now found in drinking water, food, and even human tissues. Though the health impacts are not fully understood, plastic pollution poses potential risks, including exposure to toxic chemicals used in plastic manufacturing. Plastic pollution is not only an environmental issue, its widespread use is now being recognized as a serious threat to humans. Plastics, especially single-use ones, break down into small fragments as a result of their frequent usage and buildup, which presents threats to human health both directly and indirectly. These dangers are caused by chemicals that seep from plastic items, microplastics, and the poisons that plastics produces into the environment. A rising number of people are concerned about the connection between plastic pollution and human health, particularly since plastic garbage has contaminated almost every part of our life, from the food we eat to the air we breathe. Due to the ongoing accumulation of plastic garbage, humans are exposed to potentially dangerous substances present in plastic through skin contact, inhalation, or eating. How microplastic enter the food chain, impacting food safety and health. Seafood, drinking water, and even table salt now contain microplastics, which are tiny plastic particles smaller than 5 millimeters. Because these particles are so tiny, marine life such as fish and shellfish may absorb them, and humans can subsequently eat them. There may be health hazards associated with these microplastics when they make their way up the food chain. What are plastic-free initiatives? Plastic-free initiatives refer to the efforts and actions taken by businesses, organizations, and individuals within the travel industry to minimize or eliminate the use of single-use plastics in their operations. The excessive use of plastic by humans can have a negative impact on the environment. Therefore, the responsible organization no longer uses plastic bags in their stores. They provide reusable bags for their customers at an affordable price. If the customer does not want to spend their money on the bag, they will remember and will bring back the bag they bought. This Coffee is one of the organizations that care about the environment because they use straws made from rice. Not only this straw takes care of the environment, but this straw can also be eaten. The public will choose polystyrene containers for food packing due to their affordability and portability, but they also have a very long disposal lifespan. Thus, using food containers made of iron or glass can have an impact. This is due to the fact that this food container is reusable. Furthermore, the usage of polystyrene containers has led to a rise in the use of plastic wrap. Beeswax wraps are an alternative to this plastic wrap that we can use instead. Plastic-free stores in Malaysia. The Hive Bulk Foods. This was Malaysia's first zero-waste store, established in 2015. It offers bulk foods, personal care products, and household items, encouraging customers to bring their containers. The Hive has expanded with multiple locations and pop-up stores. Nude Zero Waste Store. Located in suburban areas, Nude caters to Malaysian tastes with local food staples and promotes sustainable shopping. It invites customer input through wish lists and strives to maintain affordability. A Little Less Bulk Store. Situated in suburban neighborhoods, this store provides a range of eco-friendly products and has seen increasing interest from local community. Since a few years ago, there are a lot of countries that have started to implement the ban of plastic bags. To understand furthermore about how we can achieve a more sustainable future, let's take a look at some real-world examples where reducing plastic has made a huge impact. Back in 2008, Rwanda, an African country, started to introduce the ban of plastic bags and became one of the first countries to implement a plastic ban, other than Ireland, Bangladesh, and others. The Rwanda government has decided to make strict regulations where the restriction of using plastic bags is a permanent order, where it is to keep the streets clean. The restrictions include the importation, production, and the use of plastic bags. Not only that, the statistics by the World Bank also shows that following the ban, Rwanda experienced a significant reduction of plastic imports, from approximately 1,092 kilograms in 2003 to 322 kilograms in 2016. In results, Rwanda now stands out as one of the world's cleanest countries, attracting visitors with its vibrant ecotourism industry. Not only that, they also become a good example among other African countries. Other than that, Malaysia also had previously implemented the reduction of plastic bag usage. Over the years, many states such as Penang, Selangor, Negeri, Sembilan, and Johor have started to take a step on reducing plastic bag usage through initiatives like charging for plastic bags. However, Penang has been the first state to launch the initiative by charging 20 cents Malaysia ringgit per plastic bag. Since January 2021, Penang has increased the charge from 20 cents Malaysia ringgit to RM1 per bag. In addition, no plastic bags are allowed to be sold other than Thursday to Sunday. This initiative has made a significant impact to reduce the usage of plastics, especially in urban areas. These real-life examples prove that with the right approach, reducing the usage of plastic bags is not impossible. It is not only effective, but can create long-lasting positive changes. Reducing plastic waste is not just an environmental necessity. It's a step toward a healthier, more sustainable future for everyone. By embracing simple, consistent changes, like using reusable bags, avoiding single-use plastics, and opting for sustainable alternatives, we can make a meaningful impact. Each of us has the power to influence others by leading by example. Start small, stay consistent, and share your journey to inspire change in your community. Finally, support policies and companies driving innovation in plastic-free solutions. Together, through individual and collective efforts, we can turn the tide on plastic pollution and create a cleaner, greener planet. Let's act now.